The following technical support video will show you how to validate your MultiRIP hybrid printing software after you had it installed. First thing you want to do is you'll want to go down to your Start button, go ahead and click All Programs, and find the MultiRIP folder. When you click on that, you'll see that there is a red and yellow icon that just says MultiRIP. Click on that and that'll launch the MultiRIP interface window. When this interface window comes up, what I want you to do is go up to the top where it says Configure, and then go down to the link that says Validate Software. A new window is going to open up, and at the top of the window you're going to see where it says iProofSystems.com/validation. This is the website that you're going to need to go to. You are also going to write down your user code, and you're going to need your 16-digit product code that is either in your introductory email or on the inside of your CD case. We'll pull up that website, and the first thing it's going to ask us to do is choose which language we're going to use. It'll come into the language standpoint, and you want to fill in the required fields. So we'll just go ahead and put our information in. I do recommend putting your email in, as it'll help you stay up to date with your different product updates. So once we have our information put in, the last one you'll need to put in down at the bottom is going to be your 16-digit product code. So we'll go ahead and put that in. And then we'll come down to the bottom and click Submit Form. Our next window is going to ask us to select our different product that we're going to validate. You'll see a big long list of all of the products offered by iProof. And what I want you to do is find the one that says MultiRIP validation. Just MultiRIP. Do not choose the MultiRIP GP, which is our direct-to-garment product. Go over just to the right of the icon and you'll see a link that says Validate. Click on that link. It's now going to bring up a validation window, which is going to ask you for a couple of things. First of all, there are two different versions of MultiRIP. There is a light version and a full version. If you want to validate a light version, you need to click on the link up at the top. It has a different validation process. You'll know if your product is a light version if you look at the second, third, and fourth letters of your product code, and those are M as in Mary, R as in Robert, L as in Larry. If it is MUR, or M as in Mary, U as in umbrella, R as in Robert, it'll be the full version. If it's the full version, you'll notice down below it'll ask you for your full version product code and the user code. Again, the product code is the number that is inside your CD case in your introductory email. Your user code is that code that we had saw when we went to click on the Validate software and it showed up in the window. What I do recommend you doing is not copying and pasting any codes from either the website or anywhere else. That you should write them down and type them in, because sometimes when you copy and paste it brings in an extra space and it'll give you a product mismatch or something like that. Once you put both of these codes in here and hit submit, it will give you an activation code. Once you have that activation code, you can put that activation in here and hit OK, and it will allow you to basically run your MultiRIP without having a watermark on it. Now you will be asked to shut down the MultiRIP interface window in order for the activation to be completed. That's all it takes to validating the software for MultiRIP. If you have any questions, please visit www.multiripusers.com. Thank you.